In today's video, I'm going to teach you downloading files from your site, Microsoft SharePoint Fundamentals. SharePoint is your organization's central hub for files, and downloading the content you need is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening SharePoint in your web browser. Once you're on the SharePoint homepage and signed in, head to the specific site where your files live. This might be a team site, a project site, or any site you regularly use. The key is to get to the place that stores the documents you want. Inside the site, go to the Documents library. It's often labeled Documents or Shared Documents in the left-hand menu or along the top navigation. This is the main file repository for the site and where you'll find folders, subfolders, and individual files. Next, locate the file you want to download. You can browse through folders, sort by name or last modified date, or use the search box to quickly filter results. If you're unsure which version you need, a quick glance at the modified and modified by columns can help you pick the most up-to-date file. Take your time here. Finding the exact file saves rework later. When you found the file, hover over it and click the three dots, also known as the ellipsis. This opens a menu with actions for that specific item. From this menu, choose Download. Your browser will begin downloading the file immediately. Depending on your browser, you'll see the progress at the bottom or top of the window, and the file will usually land in your default downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a folder you'll remember, like a project folder on your desktop. If you need more than one file, select multiple items first, use the checkboxes next to each file, and then download them. SharePoint will package those files into a single .zip archive to keep everything together and maintain any folder structure you selected. The larger the selection, the longer the packaging may take. After the download finishes, you can open the zip file on your computer to access the individual documents. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the download option, you may not have permission for that file, so check with your site owner. Also, large downloads can take time. Make sure you have a stable connection and enough space on your device. That's it. You've learned how to get to your site, open the Documents library, find exactly what you need, use the three-dot menu, and download single or multiple files with confidence.